Oil is nice and hot. Putting raw vegetables into the pan first takes the longest to cook. Probably take about 3 minutes to soften the vegetables up. A minute in, we're adding green onions, mushrooms. I've seen the vegetable get starting to soften up. That's when you can start adding the rice in. Make sure that the grain, chop it up so that you want individual grain. So as the rice is heating up, you could add soy sauce. Just incorporate it into the rice. So you can see the soy sauce is helping separate the grain and the rice up. Add a teaspoon of salt, add some black pepper. Put our chicken in, 2 strips of bacon there, 1/4 pound of sausage here. When the meat is starting to get heat up, then we could add our egg mixture because now everything's gonna be nice and hot. Pour it across the top like this. You see the egg is starting to set up, and you can start stirring it around. Now that the egg is cooked, you can add our bean sprout. That's the last 2 handfuls. It'll be ready as soon as the bean sprout starts to cook down a bit. It's not raw, but it's still got a little bit crunch to it. So it's almost done. You can see the bean sprout is now quite white. It's starting to turn a little bit translucent. So that means it's pretty much almost done. Okay, so ready to be plated up.